ang Secretary of Finance?
Secretary Dominguez, Your Honor.
At ano sinabi ni Secretary Dominguez?
That if I remember, he supported the review by the legal team of the legality of the contract between the service provider and customs. And the issues I remember, reason why the X-ray was conducted outside custom area is because the customs area there is, I think we're also a locator, and we don't have enough space. That's why there's another space. That's the immediate briefing I received when I questioned why this X-ray is conducted outside the perimeter of customs. Because in Taguluan, if I remember, customs is also a locator in that big area. And I vehemently oppose why the X-ray is conducted outside the compound of customs. And there's really a legal issue between it that the commissioner cannot outrightly rescind the contract, Your
Alright.
Honor.
Yes, I got that. That memorandum circular that was issued by Secretary Dominguez. Number 10-2019. On 2019, he issued a memorandum circular outsourcing agreements of the Bureau already existing prior to the effectivity of this administrative order shall remain valid. Alam niyo ba ang ibig sabihin nitong memorandum circular? Na ngayon nagkakaproblema ang PBDEC authority dahil sa ginawang ito na memorandum circular ni Secretary Dominguez, no? Hindi mo pwedeng i-rescind yung kontrata for 25 years. And that's the reason why hanggang ngayon, yung X-ray andun pa rin sa private corporation. That's the problem of the PBDEC right now. They're having a hard time. Custom. Asan ang custom? Hindi. Golden Sun ang nag-ooperate ng X-ray. Private corporation. So, saan tayo dadalhin nito, Mr. Chairman? Kaya pala meron siyang napuntahan Nag-intel siya doon sa Tagaloan Tagaloan. At sinasabi niya na marami pumapasok. Yung X-ray pala, andun sa labas. At kung nasa labas ka, being managed by a private corporation, anong gagawin natin? Well, hindi ko alam, Mr. Chairman, kung sinadya ito, but the company who owns it, well, is a friend of the former president. Custom. Yes. Hindi muna. I'll be asking the custom muna para at least alam natin yung update dito. Kasi we want to find out and we will be inviting over in the next hearing the PBDEC para malaman po natin ano yung predicament nila dito because they own the properties being leased by this Golden Sun for 25 years. They started in 2012. So, ibig sabihin, Mr. Chairman, hanggang 2035, sila pa rin magmamanage ng X-ray outside the custom. At itong port na to, Mr. Tony Yang, may tatanong po ako sa inyo. Pwede ba kitang tanungin?
想要问你一个问题。
可以。
Mr. Tony Yang, yung iyong port, kalapit dito, hindi ba?
你的港口就是靠近这个地方，是吗？
我的港口是在那个
Tagalog po, Tagalog, please. Mag-Tagalog po kayo. Marunong naman kayo mag-Tagalog eh.
pero Tagalog minsan.
Oo, yes, okay lang. Yung port mo, kalapit nitong port na to. Sanjia still.
Oh, Sanja City malapit sa PPT pa.
Yes, malapit, di ba?
Oh.
Okay.
PPT.
Mr. Chairman, before kasi we were talking about the Sanjia Steel Corporation. They own the same port. Ganito rin, meron silang port.
然后就
Na kung saan, Mr. Chairman, nakakapasok din sa kanila. At sila, yung kanilang negosyo, yung steel manufacturing company nila, doon din po natin pinadadaan yung mga illegal, yung mga ibang goods that comes from the different countries. Now, custom, andyan yung custom, inibitahan po natin. Can we ask some questions sa custom? Andyan ba? Asan?
Bureau of Customs.
Bureau of Custom. We want to be updated on this issue. Please sit down, please. Custom. May we ask about the path of going through this? Because the contract with the Golden Sun Cargo Terminal Corporation hanggang 2035, 2037. So, can you give us some updates on this issue? Kasi this will, ito po malaking kawalan ng pera sa gobyerno. Ang dami pumapasok dito. Kaya pala nawawalan tayo ng maraming containers because dito po pumapasok Yung mga smuggled goods dito pinapasok Surely dito. Bakit? Nasa labas yung x-ray po ninyo di ba? So tell us.
Your Honor, good evening, Mr. Chair. To be candid, at that time, Your Honor, I was still not connected with the BOC, but I have contacted our superiors to seek the proper information, Your Honor. But at this time, Your Honor, I cannot give you the answer, Your Honor.
Okay, can you please ask them?
Yes, Your Honor, I already...
Mamaya kasi hanggang alas 12 naman po tayo dito. You can ask them.
Yes, Your
So
Honor.
ask them about the direction of the Bureau of Custom with regards to this X-ray that are being managed by a private corporation. Because I think there is reason to cancel that contract.
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala ako nakikitang dahilan para hindi nyo cancelin yung kontrata Kaya pala tayo marami nababalitaan dyan sa Tagaloan na yan Yung palang reason Kaya marami nakakapasok Walang nagsasabi sa atin. This is the function of this Congress, the function of this committee, yung oversight power namin, now we are exercising it. Because we're losing a lot of money because of that. And Mr. Chairman, I just wanted to show you yung yung Golden Sun. Pakita mo lang yung Golden Sun. Can you kindly show the picture? Dalawang Golden Sun. Oh, yung picture. 2. Yan, kasi pakilakaya mo lang. Mr. Chairman, ito po yung Golden Sun 999 Reality and Development Corporation na binabanggit po nyo kanina. At ito namang nasa kanan, ito yung Golden Sun na nag-ooperate po doon sa Tagaloan. Ito pong Golden Sun 999 Reality and Development Corporation is pag-aari po ito ng Eddie Yang, ni Rose Nonolin, ni Hong Yang Xiang, na kapatid ni Tony Yang,